Alright guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy Marlson, and right now we're at Furaiiin. Yeah, it's a Vietnamese noodle house thing, and we're trying to get the sauce because you already know we're gonna barbecue some ribs. We're gonna eat with family, and so we're here to get the sauce. And then we're gonna go to our house, and Elston is right there, Rawson is right there, and Martin is at home because we slept over at our auntie's house. Stay tuned. I know you guys want to be here because we're on a good sound of food, okay? Okay. And thank you for subscribing. Shout out to Auntie Jenna because today is her birthday. Pew pew pew! Happy birthday, Auntie Jenna. And thank you for subscribing. And stay tuned, everybody. See you guys in the next clip.
Come play.
You're like this.
Come play. I'll do it.
Right here. No! No!
At sa rumah to sapar. Eva. Raus yun.
Yeah. Okay, I'll be back, guys. I gotta grab my stuff right here. So on the last batch, here we go. Take some last batch of the cornic. Okay. And the rest, I'll just dump everything in here. Oh, that's just gonna make my job a lot easier. Huh? Alright, just gotta mix it in. Mix it in like a bro. Like a pro. Alright. Saute for a little bit. Okay. See that smoke coming up? That's the smell of goodness. Last one is I'm gonna put the crumbs, breadcrumbs. You're gonna put lots of breadcrumbs to make it. Just give it some crispy vibes. All right. Okay, good. Now I'm gonna dump all this, all that goodness. Shrimp. Okay. Alright. Okay. Alright. Alright. Mix that up. And we gotta get all of that cilantro on top. And just one last time. Mix it up. Alright. Okay. Look at that. It's make sure you brown up the breadcrumbs. It's really up to your preference. But for presentation wise, I want to make sure that we get that thing in a little bit brown. Oh yeah. Yeah. There we go. Wax up, wax on. Alright, that should be done. Okay, look at that. Oh, oh yeah. Alright, see you later. Alright guys, so we're on the second small barbecuer. So we got the spare ribs. It's really getting dark out here, but we're doing it. Special shout out to the birthday girl. I just found out it's Andy Jenna's birthday. Sorry Jenna, we're celebrating your birthday without you. So this barbecue is for you. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Andy Jenna, why did you not say that it's your birthday today? we could have held you back and tell you not to go to Oregon. So yeah, sorry, but we're celebrating your birthday today. Even though you're not here, we're eating the food, your food. Okay, so Janice, tell your mommy sorry. No good, why she ran away without telling us it's gonna be her birthday. Alright, I'll get back to you guys because this thing is burning. And hey, no more respect for this. Okay, 5 hours later. Yep, we're still going. Yep, what time is it now?
5:28.
Dude, it's 5:28. It's already dark, and yeah, we're still going at it. See, this is what I mean. You'll know if you see smoke coming out from a park or somebody else's house. It doesn't matter whether it's at night or 4 o'clock in the morning or 3 o'clock in the morning. You'll know it's Chuukese. Yep, that's how much we're crazy about barbecuing. Like I remember back in Hawaii, like because we like whenever we have get together barbecue and stuff to prepare for like events, we would literally like go to the park, wait like 2 o'clock or 3 o'clock in the morning just to reserve the park, make sure that nobody uses the park just before us. So yeah, rain or shine, or it doesn't matter what time of the day or night, we will still barbecue. Yeah. Yep. But it's looking good now. Short ribs are right here. Okay. And spare ribs, but it's getting there. It is getting there. But ladies and gentlemen, we got Mr. Gigano, Alex in the house. Thanks for coming over, man.
Yep.
Because your cousin Mars was crying a lot. He's like, Dad, I need help. I'm like, come on, man, you can do it. Okay.
Wait.
Elston?
Huh?
What, you're not gonna help your brother? Huh? What, I know you're just here to get the short ribs. That's all you're here for. Huh? Yeah? Well, it's almost ready.
What?
Okay, let's see. Come get, no.
It's hot.
Okay, then get yours from there. Can somebody hand him the, here. Okay. Okay. Let's see your reaction. What do you think?
It's good.
It's good? Oh, and you're eating some more? Okay. Here. Hey guys, we're on the last batch. And we should be ready to wrap up. Body joint.
No, not yet.
Is the boat started? Okay. Brother, come mukbang. Mukbang the shrimp.
Okay, who wants some cookies?
Apa itu sweet? Apa ini pemutih?
Sungu.
Kullanmıyor, hemen ne etmez. Started like a little kalubuti.
Short ribs?
Oh, because when we were a kid, my dad used it on the mashed potatoes. Really good.
Yeah.
Austin, how's your
Okay.
how's your steak? I mean your
Put my t-shirt.
not your steak, mate. Your short ribs.
It was good.
It was good. Okay.
Mine was good. I'm almost there.
Oh, yeah?
I'm not going for seconds. I'm going for seconds.
Okay. Okay, guys. So there you have it. That was the barbecue, the shrimp, and of course the spare ribs and the short ribs. We hope you guys enjoy the barbecue. Once again, it's the same.
That one.
Anyway,
And monkey too.
and monkey too. Okay. So yeah, that's the
It's
typical.
just a plushie.
It's a what?
It's a plushie.
What about the plus?
Squishy and
How you do
play with
that?
Squishy and play with it.
Uh-huh.
Plushie feeder.
Oh, I'm scared.
He's a red monkey.
All right. Okay. Did you eat?
Yeah.
Okay. You're cute.
Can I play Smash Bros? Smash Bros?
Okay. All right, guys. Well, yep. Thanks, Mr. Cameraman. You're so lazy.
What's that play? Get in my
All right.
Mukbang, Danny Bro, shout out to you.
Danny who?
Danny Bro.
Danny who? Oh. Why? Oh.
You recommended mukbang?
Okay, so you're doing the mukbang?
At least I didn't.
Okay. All right. Well, let me. Okay, let's see. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. Okay. So you're doing the Chuukese way, eating with your hands. All right. There's nothing wrong with that. Just make sure that you wash your hands and you use your natural fork. Okay. I know you guys probably be getting tired of watching us barbecuing, but that's just the way it's really not just our family. That's just the way, the island way. Barbecue in the morning. Barbecue at night. Barbecue at lunchtime. Right?
Nothing can stop us from barbecuing.
No, you safe.
So, everywhere you go, you turn to the left, turn to the right, up and down. It's barbecue.
And you can smell it from 38 miles from here.
Uh-huh. You got anything to say, Rasen?
Wait,
Yeah? What?
the short ribs taste good.
The short ribs taste good? You like it? Uh-huh. That's good, man. Well, I'm glad you liked it. I'm glad you liked it.
Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Sorry that you guys didn't see me in rest of
Yeah.
outside because
Oh, you gotta put on the
I was just playing. And don't forget to turn on your post notification bell and subscribe. And thank you for
No, you gotta put
subscribing.
on the karate.
Shout out to Indigena because today is her birthday.
Oh, see? That's the reaction there, Jenny.
And
Happy birthday.
I wish you guys were with us. So we do have you guys with us. But I wish that you guys could try these ribs, these short ribs, and it's good. See you guys in the next video.
Okay, so thanks guys once again. I know the video is short, or we just kind of picked it up from today. Marlson was vlogging last night, but Yep, that's about what we did today. Just barbecue. And once again, you guys are awesome. And it's ridiculous. So thanks again. Oh, yeah. So let's do it as a group. Let's give a shout out to the birthday girl, Auntie Jenny. Okay, I'm gonna count 3, 2, 1, and then everybody say Happy birthday, Auntie Jenny.
Or happy birthday, Jenny's mom.
Okay. So sorry, Jenny. We're actually celebrating your birthday today, so that's why we barbecue. Haha. Too bad.
Don't forget to tap on them haters.
Yeah. Like.
Clumsy ninja.
So, yep. If you for you, Eddie Janet, down in Oregon, Salem. If you're watching this video, this is for you. We celebrated your birthday and a happy birthday from us. So 3, 2, 1, everybody.
Happy birthday, Auntie Jenny.
Oh, okay. See
And that's
you.
from the how do you dress them up? See you guys in the next video.
Okay, bye.
Pow.